How to link DJI Avata. Power on the aircraft, goggles, and remote control device. When the LEDs of the remote control device are blinking, and the aircraft status indicator are yellow and blinking quickly, the devices are ready to be paired. Before linking, make sure that the aircraft, goggles, and remote control device have enough power to complete the follow-up operations. Linking the aircraft and goggles. Press and hold the power button on the aircraft until it sounds an alarm, and the battery level LEDs start to blink in sequence. Short press the link button of the goggles, and they will beep continually. Once linking is successful, and the goggles stop beeping, the battery level LEDs of the aircraft turn solid and display the battery level. Linking the aircraft and motion controller. Press and hold the power button on the aircraft until it sounds an alarm, and the battery level LEDs start to blink in sequence. Press and hold the power button of the remote controller until it beeps continually, and the battery level LEDs blink in sequence. Once the linking is successful, the battery level LEDs of the aircraft and the remote control device turn solid and display the battery level, and the remote control device stops beeping.